Good afternoon. I'm Matthew Court. I'm a Director of Human-Centered Design with CGI. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about human-centered design as a unifying framework to solve some common challenges. Human-centered design is a methodology that really sits in the middle of three major pillars whenever you're looking at solving just about any problem in business. The business portion of that, the technology and data teams, as well as the culture and people within those spaces. From the business perspective, you're looking at accelerating the opportunities and really digging into what the true business needs are within that space. From a data and technology, you're looking at really what is the major opportunities from a technology perspective and how can that contribute to the actual business needs within that. And then from a people and culture perspective, you're looking to foster that greater innovation and making sure that you're getting adoption across different areas. Oftentimes we see business requesting, business needs something from those particular teams, and technology comes with a solution. They're not always taking into account the human perspective across those different pieces. What human-centered design really does is gets in there and looks at the POV, the point of view from each of the individual areas. We look at really uncovering the depths of what the business needs in that space, but also taking into account the true cultural change that's going to shift in that space. Whenever you're looking at, we've had some instances where there's very pragmatic developers that are saying, hey, business has requested this of us, and we know what our current state is. We know what needs to change. We don't need to talk to people. After a couple conversations, it turns out that they've actually looked at the requirements and can see from a technology perspective and a process perspective how they want to move data, but they have people that have worked there for 30 years that have become heroes doing what they do and have learned to change and learn to do workarounds for all these pieces. Those technology teams have not documented those things. They've not dug into it. They're not really solving how those things are going to be done by the people that do the jobs and use that technology. They're looking to just plug directly in and solve that piece. So human-centered design really steps in and documents all those pieces, makes sure that we break down the silos between different teams, and looks at the real gist of what we want to build, so we're building the right thing the right way. So I challenge you that if you are looking at making some of these innovative changes and looking to implement things like AI and grow in these different areas, and you are looking to really determine how the business is going to grow from that space, what technologies need to be in place there, but more importantly, how it's going to affect your culture and people, that you consider human-centered design and the processes that we go through to really truly uncover and get a true deep understanding of those processes. So, thank you.